Next question. Let's look at this one now. The two roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are sine theta and cos theta, where abc are all real and a is not equal to 0. Okay, so find the value of this expression. Okay, I need the value of this expression. These are the coefficients, and only thing I know in terms of coefficient is sum of roots and the product of roots. I can write the sum of root sine theta plus cos theta from here would be sine theta plus cos theta from here would be minus b by a, and the product of these root, that is sine theta into cos theta, would be c by a, right? This is true. Now I have this expression as a square minus b square plus 2ac. If I take a square common out of this term, I am left with 1 minus b upon a whole square plus 2 times c by a. If I take a square common, I am left with this expression. And now I can replace the value of b upon a whole square and c upon a in this term. Let's put in this expression. So it would be 1 minus b by a whole square. That would be sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus 2 times c by a. C by a would be sine theta cos theta. Right. So it is a square into 1 minus, you get sine square theta plus cos square theta. And yes, it is a beautiful identity because I know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 times sine theta cos theta. Oh, so I also got this term, right? And it is in negative, it is in positive. So these terms would get cancelled. So I can smell the answer now. Okay, so even if I don't know the value of a, I know this is going to be 0. How? Because this is 1. If I replace this as the 1 using the identity, I know cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So it would be minus 1 minus 2 times sine theta cos theta plus 2 times sine theta cos theta. So can you see? This get cancelled, this get cancelled, and we are left with a 0. So the value of given expression would be 0. Correct answer is 0.